No matter how old you are, no matter how bad you might think your hormones or genetics are, and no matter how lost you might feel after trying and abandoning past diets and exercise routines, you absolutely positively can have the lean, defined, and healthy body you dream about. And you're going to learn how. End quote. So here's what I am going to do. I'm going to jump on Amazon and order me a brand new food and fitness planner. I think I'll get 2 of them because I do better when I track my progress with pen and paper. You see, I've tried the apps, and although the apps are good, those tend to slow a sister down. Hey everybody, it's Evelyn here, and in today's video, I am unboxing my brand new food and fitness journals. Now, I bought these journals from Amazon.com, and we're going to get busy seeing what's inside of them. If you want to learn more about these journals, I'll include the links to them in the description box. Now, let's get busy flipping through my brand new journals. Let's go. Here is my first journal. This is the Clever Fox Food Pro Journal. Let's open it up and take a look to see what's inside here. This is how it looks. It is in shrink wrap, so I need to open it. All right, so let's open this up and see what's in here. Let me take the cover off here. The first page I come to, it says, and I've been flipping the page a lot here. The first page that I come to is this page where you can put your contact information. Just in case you lose this, you have your contact information so that somebody can return it to you. That's pretty cool. Next page, the starting point here. What you would do is, of course, take your measurements, and they show you in the diagram where and how to take those measurements. And then you would put your picture here, or my starting picture here in this space here. After you take your measurements, you want to log them down. Now, these are your measurements. But what is your goal? You may have a goal, and so you write that over here. At the bottom of this page, it has food and drug allergies. You may have some allergies to some things, and so you can write that here. And then you can put down your supplements and the dosage and how frequent you take those. And when you reach your goal, what will you give yourself or gift yourself? So it says reward if achieved, and then you put the date and you sign it here. It's just like a little contract with yourself. The next page has goals. And you put down your goals that you want, and it also says, why do I want to achieve this goal? There's a space there. And you also have a section over here that you can use to put down your action steps. What are you going to do to actually achieve those goals? That's pretty good. I like that. So you have on this page 5 goals that you can write down here. Let's go to the other page. And on this page, you have your exercise plan. Put your exercise plan down for each actual day. And then we have an exercise calendar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 months that you can put in. And the way I would use this, like if I'm doing strength training, I'll just put an S on Monday. If I'm doing cardio on Wednesday, I'll put a C. Okay, rest probably would be R. So this is the calendar for exercising. Go to the next page, and we have the calendar for the month. So you have month of, and you put your month here. You take your notes here. Of course, you have your days. You can fill this in yourself, which is pretty cool. And then down at the bottom of the actual calendar, most important goals this month. What do you want to achieve this month? The most important thing. Then if we go over here on this side, it says things I'll do to get better this month, or things I'll do to be better this month. And you have categories: health and fitness, self-care, fun and recreation, body image, personal development and spiritual. So whatever you're working on, you can write that here, and I like that as well. And then they have a monthly review in here. So you take another picture at the beginning of the month, or after you've done this for 4 weeks, take your measurements again, and what are you now versus the month before, the last month. And then here you have habit tracker. So if I want to start drinking water every day, so many ounces a day, I can put that here and mark off the day to make sure I did it. And also here we have monthly review. What were the biggest wins? What were the biggest challenges? How do I feel about my progress? Which life areas were lacking and why? And then how will I improve next month? So this is pretty good, actually. I like that. I had bought the regular one and it didn't have all of this in here. So I actually bought the Pro, and this was a good buy in my opinion. Okay. So we have the next month, and you just go about doing that for the next month. Okay. All right, so we're going to move on to what we bought this for, also for food tracking. Week of, you can write down your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, what you're eating, Sunday through Saturday. You can have your shopping list. So this is a good way to do your meal plans and meal prep, so you will know actually what you'll be eating for that week. Shopping list, put what you're going to buy and the cost of it and everything. The next page here, it says day and date, and you can put your weight, your sleep, your water, body percent fat, steps, how much fruit you ate, veggies, caffeine drinks. Also, what is your mood today? And also it says energy, activity, and you fill that in with these little boxes here. I don't know if you can see those boxes, but you can color that in. And we have here sugar-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, trans fat-free, and treats if you had any. Here is the actual breakdown of your breakfast. So you eat breakfast, you write down what it is, the serving size, the calories, and the protein, carbs, and fat, and you will actually be putting the numbers here. You do that for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and any snacks that you have. And then down here, activity that you've done, you might want to write that here, and duration and calories burned. So that is that for the food. And then this back here is measurements tracker. So week 1, what is your weight, your chest, and all that. And you do that for, it has a space for 26 weeks here. And then your final results, you take your measurements again, you take your final photo or your result picture and write down your now measurements versus the target. What were you going for? And then at the bottom here, it says what other goals were achieved and what weren't, and how can I improve, and that's it. But in the back of here, they have dotted paper for you to take notes or do some, I guess, sticker stuff if you want to. And I think that's quite a bit of paper. In the pocket here, they have some stickers. I actually bought some more stickers, and I'm going to show y'all that in a minute. But these are the stickers that came in here, and you can see the food. Okay. And meal plan, avocado, meal planning. It has the stickers for the month. Okay. So these came inside the pocket. And then it has this. So you can secure it like that. Okay. before I get into the fitness one, here are the stickers that I have. I bought some additional stickers because I'm trying to get into actually using stickers. So here are the Clever Fox stickers, planner stickers, fitness and nutrition. Food Journal Pro, and I like it. I think I'm going to enjoy using it. Now I'm going to go ahead and get into checking out the fitness journal. The next journal I have is my fitness journal. It says reach your fitness goals faster. Track your gains in muscle tone, strength, or weight loss. I'm actually doing strength and I'm also working on weight loss. So let's open it up and see what's in here. The first thing that I see is how to use this planner. Again, they show you how to take your measurements. They explain to you where to take them, how to take them, and all that good stuff. Also, measurements tracker. They have a tracker in here, so each week you can take your measurements and see how you're doing. And of course, results and product lists. So let's take a look. In the first opening of this book, you see again, if you are at the gym or something and you actually were to leave your book at the gym, they can contact you because you are able to put your contact information here. Next page, my starting point and results. So here you are going to put your name, your weight, your height, my goal to lose weight, maintain weight, or gain weight. My goal is to lose weight. I would check this or color that box in. And I would also put my picture here, my before picture. And then also they have a small diagram of where and how you are to be taking your measurements. Moving right down here, you have the chart to log your measurements, your current measurements. For example, your neck, shoulders, chest, bicep, waist, hips, thighs. What is your weight and what is your body percent? You will put the date here. Okay. This side is for results. So if I flip the other page, it has some more goals that you can track here. On this page, my progress tracker, and you just track every week what you're doing, and you have enough space for 28 weeks. And then finally here we have the calendar, and then we have the actual workout. So you have day, date, start date, finish, start time, finish time, total time, muscle group you're working. You put down what type of exercise you're doing here, reps and weight, how many sets and all that. Down here it has cardio, and you just put the type of cardio, time, distance, calories burned, and satisfaction rate with your workout, and put any notes here that you may have. And that's really what this book is here. You see what's in the back. In the back we have products. You may want to put some food here that you want to keep in remembrance as far as the amount and the calories and all that. You can track that here or put it here so you can quickly reference it. Meat and fish and protein, dairy and eggs and grains. And then we have nuts, beans and legumes, and fruits and vegetables. Then we have some dotted paper where you can take more notes if needed. And that's it. So that is the fitness journal. There you have it. Those are the journals that I will be using when I start my lifestyle change to getting fit and healthy and losing some of this weight. I hope that I like them. Either way, after using them for 30 days, I will come back and do a flip through of those 30 days and let you know how I like or don't like the journals. That is all I have. If you have any questions or comments, put your questions or comments below. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.